Hi everyone, today I am showing you the silver semi linen sarees with silver borders. This is the first saree with silver checks. All over the saree will be in the silver checks, and this is the thread work done with small beautiful flowers, and this is the running blouse attached to the saree only running blouse. The total saree will be like this, beautiful flowers and small silver checks. And this one is the another design of semi linen saree with beautiful thread work and silver work, and down is the border, and this is the design of the saree. Total saree will be in this design only. This is a multiple thread work, not the print viewers. This is the multiple thread work. This saree and this one is a pallu. This saree can be used for parties or offices or functions, pujas, as you like. Very smooth and soft and lightweight sarees. For the more colors, you can ask me in the comment section. I will show you. Total saree will be like in this pattern with silver border. For more updates, subscribe my channel and comment me in the comment section.